Welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. You are in standard 4 and this is the textbook of Environmental Studies part 2. Generally we call this textbook as history. Okay. And this history is of Shiva Chhatrapati, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This is the history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great person in Maharashtra or all over India, all over the world. So let's see what is given in your textbook about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and we'll learn about everything about Shivaji Maharaj in this textbook. So let's see first chapter. What is the first chapter given to us? This is something that was written by Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India. No. Sorry guys, we are coming to the lesson. Okay, sure, let's see. So this is the first chapter, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Okay, this is the first chapter, Maharashtra before Shivaji. We are learning from your textbook, and what is given in your textbook, that much only we are learning. We are not learning anything outside the textbook. You may get more information about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So let's start. Let's begin. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. He was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You know very well that you on this day you do many things. What you do, you sing songs and povadas in his honor. You garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai, Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj and what was the great work did he did that we celebrate his birth year every day. So we are going to learn everything about Shivaji Maharaj in this textbook, and this is the chapter Maharashtra before Shivaji, right? The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. It was the medieval period of history. In those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. Okay, there was a monarchy. There was a rule of kingdoms. राजे वहाँ पे थे, राजे रजवाड़े असायचे. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. So subjects जे काय असतात राजे असायचे, subjects असायचे, so they were not thinking about them. किंवा राजवाडे असायचे, बरेच राजे रजवाडे आपल्या लोकांबद्दल काही विचार करत नसायचे. उनकी जो प्रजा थी उनके बारे में कोई कुछ भी सोचता नहीं था. So but even in those days there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. Who were the kings? The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north. Okay, there was a Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north, and Emperor Krishna Dev Rai of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. Okay, they were the rulers that thought about the subject. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also command great respect even today. Shivaji Maharaj also command great respect even today. You know Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj, what is Swaraj? Swaraj means self-government. What do you mean by Swaraj? Swaraj means self-government, our own rule, self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. So Maharashtra was not free. Okay, there were a large portion of Maharashtra was under the Nizam Shah and under the Adil Shah. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worships or worship their gods openly and freely. लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे openly. They were very under the pressure. Okay, लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते, काय करू शकत नव्हते त्यावेळेस, कारण हे राजे काही चांगले नव्हते. They were not good. They were not sure for their safety even in their own homes. Then there was injustice everywhere. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Vatandas like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. The Jagirdar hote, but they loved only their Jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. There was misrule everywhere. People people were tired of the oppression and were very unhappy. लोक खूपच आनंदी नव्हते, खूप दुःखी होते लोक. Then who came? Shivaji Maharaj came in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Right? He first brought to book the Vatandas who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppress the people, and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj not only considered the Hindu people but also Muslim people, everyone, and the treatment. He treated every people. He treated equally. He treated equally to all people. So Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the sense of all religions. We draw inspiration from this noble deeds of Maharaj. Right? So Shivaji Maharaj was a noble person. During a period of 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what this saints did. What this saints did, we see in the next chapter. So this is all about the first chapter of your textbook, that is Maharashtra before Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. I'll send the answers also. So I'll write all the answers and send you answers. So have a good day. Bye everyone.